Hello everyone, welcome to ChessVisor, your wise choice to improve your chess. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my games where I played against a cheater on lichess, and I was playing a rapid game randomly. And I was paired against this specific opponent, and I will link the game's link in the description as well as the profile of this player in the description. You can check it out. So before we check this game, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the future videos. So here I was handling white pieces, so myself I opened the game with 1e4. So here she replied with the move c5. Knight c3, we have the close Sicilian. What variation? This is the traditional line actually, knight c6, bishop b5 and then knight d4, bishop c4, and we are here black has two main responses like e6 or g6. So she played a e6 here, shutting down my bishop's diagonal. At the time of this game, or when I was playing this game, I never thought this opponent or my opponent is cheating me using an engine. So I was playing my own moves here. So knight ge2, getting ready to castle, and in near future I can play the move f4, considering that black's undeveloped king side pieces. So immediately she played knight f6, and I hit the knight with the e5, and I was expecting knight g4, knight g8, and yeah, sometimes in d5. Actually, after this game, I checked the database, and d5 was the most played move in the position. So she played pawn d5 here, and after e takes f6, she went d takes c4. After f takes g7, bishop takes g7, and I thought, okay, black is going to castle on the king side. So I thought, okay, it's time to castle on the king side. So I did. So bishop d7, this move looks like a very great move, because the idea is very simple. If the knight comes to e4, which I was planning actually, after knight e4 I played, he played bishop c6. Idea is very clear that if I capture the c5 pawn, it's a blunder actually. Queen d5, queen g5 wins the game immediately. So what I thought, okay, let me bring the other knight into the game. So I played knight to c3. The better way to play the position is to bring the knight to g3 actually. So I played the other way anyway. So here in this position she played pawn f5, hitting my knight, and here I had this chance of giving this check, that is knight to queen h5 check, but in the game I missed to do that. So rather than that, I played the natural knight g3. So here she simply played a pawn h5, and already I am kind of lost this game actually already. So I could not hold, or anybody could not hold this position. So here the simple reason is being I cannot do anything here. If I turn on engine here actually, or the analysis, it says I can play rook e1, but after that h4 is coming, and I don't know where this knight is going. Maybe I should grab this pawn and give up the knight, or if I go saving the knight like this, then queen g5 immediately wins the game. So I cannot stop it actually. Say for example, the threat is actually queen to g2 checkmate. So if I have to defend that, let's say I play this move f3, then knight takes f3 is a great move actually, because that f3 itself a blunder actually, because I cannot take here with the queen takes f3 because of bishop f3, uh, thanks to this beautiful pin going on. So that is why I thought, okay, already I lost the game. So I thought, okay, why don't we try some fancy idea? So I thought knight takes h5. So here, after this move, I was expecting queen h4 multiple times, but she did not play that move. Rather, she played some other moves like, say for example, in this position also, she played knight f3 check, which is not actually. It's actually, I believed at this point, okay, something is suspicious, but I didn't come to a conclusion at the time. But then after like 8 hours of time, I received a notification saying that you lost to a cheater, so who violated the toss of leeches, and I got my rating back. That's not the point here. The thing is, if you want to play chess, don't ever cheat anyone. It looks fun, but it actually not. So it's shows your your ethics, and how you have been raised by your parents. And I don't want to get into that deeper, and already so many things are going on the internet right now, right? So So the thing is, another main important point I would like to convey to everyone is that uh, those people who cheats on on any game, they don't deserve, or they don't, or they are not eligible to play the specific game, especially I'm referring the chess. So they are not eligible to play chess. They can go and they can do something else, right? So anyway, so here after knight f3 check, I played a queen takes f3, and after this move, uh, she played a bishop takes f3. In this position, I cannot actually decline this sacrifice. If I play king h1, then rook h5, h3, rook takes h3 check, gh3, queen h4, king g2, queen g5 check, followed by king h1, and then knight f4, the discovered check, queen f3 blocking the check, and after bishop takes f3, king h2, and then queen to g2 is a checkmate. So I know that either way I'm going to lose the game. So I thought, why don't we sacrifice the queen here? So I played queen takes f3, and after bishop takes f3, I went knight takes g7 check, and here she played king d7, and after that knight takes e6, and here finally she played the move queen h4, and in this position I resigned the game. Why I resigned? Because let me show you this quick variation, that is pawn h3, rook h g8, knight takes e5 check, king c6, and some pass move like a3, rook takes g2 check, after king h1, that is queen to h3 is a checkmate. So let me know your experience about cheating, or if you have been cheated like this, or what do you think about this specific person. So let me know your ideas, thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoy my commentary, please do like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Chessvisor, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as usual, this is Chessvisor, your wise choice to improve your chess.